Welcome back to Cheshkid FX for another price prediction update, and in this video I'll be giving you a price prediction update on Vechain, whose current price stands at the $0.02736 mark, and here on TradingView the market is down by 2.8%. And in this video I want to give the key scenarios that I expect to play out, basing my analysis on the Elliot waves and the Fibonacci's, and also the key areas of support and resistances, and also show you the key chart patterns that we have information on this chart. So if you're interested in such content, make sure that you stick around till the end of the video. And I'll kickstart the video by giving a brief of what has been happening on this chart. Vechain from the all-time high has been seeing lower prices in this massive ABC correction, which has now taken us to around the $0.02 mark, and by so doing I believe it has done the minimum that we expected it to do in its ABC correction, and soon we might see a very nice bounce to the upside. Also, starting my analysis here on the daily chart, you can see we had been trading within this channel. We managed to break out of that channel to the upside. We also managed to break above key areas of resistances at around the $0.029 mark, and at the key area of resistance at around the $0.0362 mark we got rejected, and we are seeing a very massive pullback to the lower side. And if I jump to the 4-hour chart for further analysis, after making our low down here at around the $0.02 mark, we saw a very nice bounce to the upside. We had also been trading within this descending channel. We managed to break out of that channel to the upside. We also managed to break above a key area of resistance here on the 4-hour chart, which is the area right here. We also had a successful retest of that key area of resistance, and after the retest we continued pushing even higher, managed to break above the key area of resistance at around the $0.029 mark, and we continued pushing higher. And before we got rejected at the key area of resistance at around the $0.03362 mark, we had been trading within this channel, which is over here, and we managed to break out of that channel to the lower side, and from there we have continued seeing lower prices. We have also lost a key area of support at around the $0.029 mark. We even saw a retest of that key area of support, which is the move right here. Then after seeing that retest, we have continued seeing lower prices here on the 4-hour chart, and this structure to the upside, I can term it as an Elliot wave structure, having this as the first wave to the upside. Then we saw a very nice retracement to the lower side in the formation of a wave 2. Then we have continued pushing even high in the formation of a wave 3. Then I expect to see the formation of a wave 4. Then continue pushing even high in the formation of a wave 5 to complete a higher Elliot wave count 1. So once we see the completion of the formation of this fractal wave, then we can name that fractal wave as a higher Elliot wave count 1. And if I get a little bit into the details of those fractal waves, after making our high for that first wave, we saw a very nice retracement to the lower side in the formation of a wave 2, and using the Fibonacci's, we can get to see whether it has done the minimum that we expect a wave 2 to do. That is the area between the fib level 0.618 and the fib level 0.382, and you can see that fractal wave retraced into that target area. We even overshooted the fib level 0.382 a little bit. Then we started to see a very nice bounce to the upside in the formation of a wave 3, and using a trend-based Fibonacci, we can get a target area for that third wave to the upside. And to do that, I just need to connect the fibs from the low of the wave 1 to the high of the wave 1, then drag the fibs to the low of the wave 2. That should give me the minimum target area for that third wave to the upside at around the $0.03329 mark. That is at the fib level 1.618, and I can mark that target area here on the charts using that red target area, and you can see the price of Vechain has continued to respect that Elliot wave count. We even maximized our target area for that third wave to the upside, so it's possible that the high for that third wave to the upside is in, and whatever we are seeing here is a retracement to the lower side in the formation of a wave 4. And because a wave 4 is a retracement of the third wave, we can use the Fibonacci's to get a target area for that fourth wave, and to do that I just need to connect the fibs from the low of the wave 3 to the high of the wave 3. That gives me a minimum target area between the fib level 0.618 and the fib level 0.382 as a maximum, which is the target area that I have drawn out here on the charts within this red target area, and that gives me the key scenarios that I expect to play out here on the charts. Now that we have continued seeing lower prices, we are just about to maximize our red target area for that fourth wave. it's possible that we are going to continue to see lower prices here on the Vechain chart. Maximize our red target area by going to around the $0.0268 mark, which is the lower part of that target area. Break out of that target area to the lower side and get to around the $0.02649 mark, which is a key area of support. At that point, we find support and then see a very nice bounce to the upside, and that is what will be forming our wave 5. Manage to break above the key area of resistance at around the $0.29 mark once more. Have a successful retest of that key area of resistance, and once that happens, then we can continue pushing higher. Manage to break above the key area of resistance that we have at around the $0.03362 mark. Have a successful retest, then continue pushing higher and maximize the target area that we will be having here on the charts for that fifth wave to the upside to complete a higher Elliot wave count 1. The other possible scenario is that we might lose that key area of support at around the $0.026 mark, continue unlocking lower prices and get back to around the $0.024 mark. And in case that happens, then I believe Vechain will not be respecting the Elliot waves count here anymore, and I will have to restructure my Elliot wave count and maybe even sketch out even more bearish scenarios here on the charts. It's also possible that from the prices that we are in at the moment, it's possible that we find reversal within those prices because we have gotten into our target area, continue pushing higher, manage to break above those key areas of resistances and continue pushing higher to maximize our target area for the fifth wave. So let's be patient and see how that plays out. Also taking a look at the indicators to see whether those movements here on the RSI will be supported. On the RSI, we are trading at around the 23 mark, and that is in the oversold region, and that means we have massive room for us to continue supporting any movement to the upside. And also taking a look at the MACD, on the MACD we have not yet printed anything, but over here we had printed a bearish cross. So let's be patient and see how that plays out, and I'll keep you updated on any movements here on the charts.